Do you think a city girl would become less independent if a man provided her with everything she needs and more? What should a foreigner do and not do on the first date if a black, white, or Latino foreigner ask you out on a date at the same time? Who would you give the opportunity to take you out? May we know what's your name and age?
Marinal 21.
Guys, this is her second time here on the channel, and I forgot which video we interview her because we interview a lot. Do you think a city girl would become less independent if a man provided her with everything she needs and more?
A city girl. Well, for me, if a man provided her everything, I think it depend in a women. Like for example, for me, I am an independent woman living here in Naga City, and I provide for myself. Like I am a working student, and I pay for my tuition fee. And if a man provided for me, well, thank you, but yes, it's depend in a woman.
Do you think you will become more or less independent if a guy will, you know, give you everything you need?
Um, for me, it's okay. Maybe if if we are in a marriage situation, I think we will be. I love a man provider, a provider mindset man, and I hope someday I will marry a provided man.
So, is that a yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so if, for example, your husband asks you to stop working, to just stay at home, you would, right?
Well, it's a yes because my dream is to become a housewife. Like I will enjoy taking care of our children and do some gardening and build a coffee shop and family time.
I love that. What is the most beautiful thing a man can do to win your heart?
Um, I am in a old school. Like I love courtship, the idea of courting. So I want my man to be romantic, to be like, since I am an independent, so if I tell him to not carry my bag, like for example, still I want him to carry my bag. Something like that. To be, I want a man na romantic.
Like princess treatment, right?
This is treatment.
Now, if a black, white, or Latino foreigner asked you out on a date at the same time, who would you give the opportunity to take you out?
First come, first serve.
Well, they're asking you at the same time, so who would you pick?
Maybe one try at a time. Like I will try the white. If it doesn't work, let's go for another. Para ma-distinguish ko kung ano yung mas better.
So to distinguish who's better. Okay. So it doesn't matter whether he is white, black, or Latino.
Yes, it doesn't matter because my ano in life is to be, oh my god. Nawala na ako. So it doesn't matter. Just give me your love, be honest, and that's all.
What should a foreigner do and not do on the first date?
Um I want in the first date like respect. Like no more, I mean no a lot of physical contact because I think it's very disrespectful. Like in the first date, you are very touchy. So I want to set boundaries, like no more a lot of touchy.
So that is not to do. Foreigner not to do on the first date. How about the thing that they can do?
The princess treatment, like for example, like the I mean, like for example, we are walking in the street. Like I want him to know the sidewalk rule, something like that, and opening it to the door and a chair. Simple, like simple gestures matters.
I love that. I remember now, the last time I interviewed you, you were single, right?
Yes.
And we even had her, we even made her walk, give us like a model walk. Are you still single, babe?
Yes, I'm still single. I'm looking still my someone, my forever.
How long have you been single now?
Since birth.
Since birth. And you are
21 years old.
21 years old. What are you studying again?
Tourism management. So I'm traveling the world to find you.
Babe, can we interview you for members for later?
I'm sure.
Okay, so we're gonna interview her on members video. So see you later, guys. Hi. Babe, excuse me. Ay, sorry. Babe, pwede kami ma-interview ba? Nag-vlog kami. Okay lang. May we know what's your name and age?
Yes, of course. My name is Ashley and I'm 18 years old.
If a black, white, or Latino foreigner asks you out on a date at the same time, who would you give the opportunity to take you out?
The the white.
May we know why?
I I changed my mind. Black
Black, okay.
because for me I don't want like discrimination other white, black or Latino. But I like black because it's so for me as a Filipino, we are brown, right? But is that
Do you feel like you're gonna have a connection together?
yes.
Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 5 questions lang. Okay lang ba? Ano lang, kasi lang, simple lang. Ano, 5 questions lang. May we know, babe, what's your name and age?
My name is Hazel and I am 21 years old.
How are you tonight, Hazel?
I'm fine and kinda hungry because I'm from class.
If a black, white, or Latino foreigner asks you out on a date at the same time, who would you give the opportunity to take you out?
I guess Latinos are they are most attractive for me. So, yan.
Latino. What should a foreigner do and not do on the first date?
Of course, taking advantage of women in, like, for example, inviting them to, mga private places.
How about what should a foreigner do on the first date?
Of course, simple efforts, and then getting to know each other first, and yeah, also being respectful.
Are you single, babe, or do you have a boyfriend?
Single.
How long have you been single?
I think it's 2 years.
2 years. Okay, and you are 22, right?
21.
21. Okay. What are you studying, be?
I am a BSHM, Hospitality Management po, from Naga College Foundation po.
I love your uniform. It complements your body. Like you look so pretty.
Thank you so much.
What are your names and ages?
I'm Cole and I'm 18 years old.
And I'm PM. I'm 18 years old.
PM.
Yes.
Okay, that's your nickname, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you friends or relatives?
Friends po.
Friends. Okay. So anyway, call and PM. Here's the question. The first one. In your opinion, is a westernized Filipina better marriage material than a Western woman?
Yes po because we our parents teach us to be a good person, and then it will help us to become a good wife material and our husband in the future po.
And for me, it's yes, because Filipina are the one that are very capable of doing the household chores and everything, in doing not only in household but in the work field also.
If a black, white, or Latino foreigner ask you out on a date at the same time, who would you give the opportunity to take you out?
I don't think so because I have to know first their personality kasi I don't want to go on a date with someone that I don't really know because I'm a girl and I protect what I own and what my dignity is. So I don't think maybe a little talk for them and then it depends.
So I'm it's like you don't care whether he's black, white, or Latino, like that?
Yes.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. How about you, Be? If you have to pick, which one are you gonna choose?
Um, I will choose the one who will truly wins my heart and have a good intentions in me. That's all.
How about if they have all good intention to you? So who are you gonna pick? The black, white, or Latino foreigner?
Mm, personally, I like the white ones.
Okay. For the last question, what should a foreigner do and not do on the first date?
Maybe saying inappropriate words because that would be uncomfortable for me. And after he says that, for sure, I will go away and then I will not be able to see him again.
That shouldn't be, done on the first date. How about what they can do on the first date?
Maybe be nice and talk nicely and listen to everything I said, like my yaps like that. So that's at the same time good impression for me.
Same as Cole, but I like him to win my parents' heart first.
Okay, how about what they shouldn't do on the first date?
Um, Asking for like something that isn't appropriate.
Like,
They will book a hotel for us only for the both of us like that. I think
they shouldn't do that on the first date.
yeah.
Um, 18 years old, and I can see that you're still studying, college student. What are you studying, Be?
Nursing.
Nursing.
Psychology.
Psychology. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, ladies. We really appreciate your time. You two seem very sweet. Okay. Good luck in your future. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Hi, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with us, and hopefully, we earned your subscription. If you want extra videos and weekly posts, check out our membership or our new Patreon. Links will be in the description and pinned comments. See you soon, guys. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I live from the